Hello, welcome to my channel again. And today I'm going to show you 7 books you must read if you are starting an online business. Starting an online business is one of the very popular way to earn in another stream of income. But many struggle and earn nothing because they enter into online business for the sake of online business. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 books that have helped me in my online business, and I show you how to get them and of course read them, and I very sure that your business will get another fit. Number 1 of this book is Unlock It. Unlock It by Dan Lok. Dan Lok is one of the popular online business and executive coach for top CEO and companies. Dan Lok is a salesman, and of course, he has seen it all when it comes to selling online. So he wrote this book to give you an example, or to give you an eye-opening tip, strategy, and method to use when starting your own business. And more importantly, when it comes to getting a significant life and income and fit in business. I've read this book since the year it was released, and of course I can tell you that this book is one of the most important book in my library. Number 2 of these books is Go Giver. This Go Giver, a little story about a powerful business idea. Now, one thing most people starting online business do is they try to sell to people without giving. Jack, 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 right hook. Give, 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 give before you think of taking. How to give out stuff, how to give out, how to handle prospects, how to handle buyers. Now, imagine you own an online business, and then you start advertising, and then you want 20% of the people that saw your ad to respond. It's not going to work. The number 1 thing you have to do is to make sure that these people are familiar with you by sending them some email, teaching them different way that they can solve their problem without your own intervention, without paying you. So you need to give them, give, even before you think of taking. And even that taking is not because you are taking, you are not actually taking, you are helping them solve your problem. In only that they are paying for a product or a service that you actually offer. So in the right sense, you are not selling to them, you are giving them instead. It is a story of a young man who, the book contains a story of a young man who is struggling with sale, and of course the story is really, really interesting. I want you to check this book out. If I can, I will leave a link to the books so that you can download or order for them. The number 3 on this list is disruptive selling. This is disruptive selling, a new strategic approach to sales, marketing, and customer service. Now, many people think customer service job is for a particular department in the bank, or maybe a particular department in the maybe hospital. No, it is not. Every single day that you put out products, you are expected to treat your customers right. You are expected to treat your customers right. It is their right, and it is the only way it is the only thing that can keep them coming back to you, no matter how great your service is. If you think your service is great and then you can do anyhow, they will look for another person whose service is as great as yours. And that from that day, you have lost them forever. The number 4 on the list is valuable content. This is valuable content. This is one of the book I read that changed my life. Personally, it motivates me to start giving value to people on my email list. Of course, if you have not registered or if you are not yet on my email list, please, I will leave a link below. Please subscribe, and I send you content, like send you valuable learning tips, and of course how to start your business online and personal development and the rest of the opportunity every single week. So I will leave the link below. Now, content marketing is about, just as uh, uh, in the book I just show you, Go Giver, you have to create valuable stuff for your client even without expecting anything in return. You have to create value, keep on creating value until they are able to be comfortable with you and buy from you. Nobody buy when they are confused. So content will help you get your clients or your potential buyers clarity. The number 5 book when it comes to starting your online business is To Build a Tribe, where that is when we come to tribes. We need you to lead us. Now, if you own a business, one of the things that will help you stand out when it comes to your industry is to build a tribe of raving fans. Build a tribe of raving fans. People want someone to lead them. People want someone to take the lead, and of course take the lead and let them know that, okay, you are here now, they are there, then we are also going towards our direction where everybody will have their own freedom. Nobody hates that. Everybody is gonna follow you. I bet you is going to work for you if you can implement the lessons in this book. Number 6 is .com secret. Now, here is what I will tell you. Don't start your online business if you have not implemented everything that is written in this book. Don't start your online business if you have not applied everything that is written in this book. At the least, if you have started, make sure you read this book, because if you don't apply what is written in this book, you are going to struggle all years and achieve exactly 0 kobo, because everything that you need to get your online business started is written in this book. The number 7, that is the second to the bonus, the second to the last, which is the bonus I'm going to give you here, is how to sell to Nigerians. Sell more of your products in the next 30 days than you did in the last 300 days, and of course, guaranteed. This book is not just about selling to Nigerians. It's about selling to the people, matching your product with the need of the people you are selling to. Matching your product with the need of the people you are selling to. It is written by Akin Alabi, one of the pioneer of betting companies in Nigeria. You just have to check this book out. Very, very important. Then I'm giving you one bonus, and the bonus is gigantic magnetic marketing. It is written by one of the kings of copywriting. You need to check this book out. Dan Kennedy owns one of the biggest, one of the successful marketing companies you can ever find in the US or possibly in the world as well. Recently, he became old and then sold the company to the author of the book I just showed you now, the .com secret. But the lessons in this book are so much valuable that you can't do without them, whether you own a physical or an online business. In fact, you can be a craftsman, but this book will be as valuable as anything to you. Thank you for watching my video. Of course, don't forget the subscribe button is there. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and then like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. Thank you very much for watching. I see you in my next video.